Can a simple cup of tea hold the power to shield your cardiovascular system from potential threats? Do you believe that the delicious teas we're about to explore can truly work wonders in preventing heart attacks, clearing arteries, and lowering high blood pressure? In this video, we will take a look at these 3 remarkable teas known for their cardiovascular benefits. These teas not only offer a delightful taste, but also work wonders in safeguarding heart health, clearing arteries, and reducing high blood pressure. Green tea takes center stage in the discussion, celebrated for its antioxidant-rich composition. These antioxidants act as protective warriors, defending the body against harmful invaders. In addition, green tea contains ketogens, which are like secret agents with a mission to lower LDL cholesterol levels, commonly known as bad cholesterol. This action helps maintain clean and clear arteries. By including green tea in your daily routine, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier heart, as it acts as a shield for your cardiovascular system. Hibiscus tea is the second tea on the list, noted for its vibrant and tangy flavor. It is not just about taste. Hibiscus tea boasts remarkable health benefits. It is particularly renowned for its ability to lower high blood pressure. This tea contains compounds that serve as natural ACE inhibitors, promoting blood vessel dilation and reducing the strain on the heart. A cup of hibiscus tea is like a mini vacation in a mug, providing both a burst of tropical paradise and a step towards maintaining healthier blood pressure levels. Chamomile tea is the third tea highlighted for its soothing and calming properties. While it may not prevent heart attacks directly, it excels in tackling stress and anxiety. Chronic stress can adversely affect the cardiovascular system, making chamomile tea a valuable ally. It contains compounds like epigenine and luteolin, known for their calming effects on the nervous system. This tea acts as a natural stress buster, easing tension and promoting tranquility. A relaxed mind translates to a happier heart, making chamomile tea an ideal choice to incorporate into your daily routine for overall well-being. These 3 teas, namely green tea, hibiscus tea, and chamomile tea, offer a range of cardiovascular benefits, from protecting the heart to reducing high blood pressure and promoting relaxation. Incorporating these teas into your daily routine not only offers a delightful sensory experience, but also contributes to a healthier and happier heart. If you found this information helpful and engaging, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to continue to enjoy tea, stay healthy, and keep those hearts happy. Thank you for joining us on this tea-filled adventure, and we look forward to sharing more insights and discoveries with you in the future.